How many Jamaicans know about the Ethiopian Zion Coptic farm? It was the largest landowner second to the government between the 1970s and mid-80s. The largest employer. We had our own shipping company, self-sustaining farmers on reservoir, generator, telephone system, newspaper, and was responsible for saving the Jamaican economy back in those days. But you will not see it in any history books because they use the marijuana or cannabis as a religious sacrament. They were the wealthiest Rastafarians to ever exist, both black and white, and they were located in St. Thomas, about 2 miles from White Horses. I'm doing this so people who don't know can know, and hopefully spread it. This is a part of Jamaica's rich history, and the powers that be doesn't want anyone to know about it. You can go and research it. You can find some things about it on YouTube. They were visited by 60 Minutes. A documentary has been made about them called The Square Grouper. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Coptic farms. The peaceful Rastafarians. Very wealthy too.